Hi, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my lightweight spackling. So I purchased this Fast and Final lightweight spackling because I like to do sort of like abstract modern plaster art or textured art from time to time. So this is what the spackling looks like when you open it up, and I'm going to try to show you the texture up close. So this is what it looks like. And what I love about this spackling is that you can really maneuver it or shape it to be whatever you want it to be. With the right tools, you can easily do anything. And so it's spreadable, it's easy to work with, and it's buildable. So you can layer some of it, and then once it dries, layer some more on top of that. It's easy cleanup and easy to wash off your hands. And that's my point of view.